everyone, and welcome back to Insta Yarn Creations. I'm Crystal. So in this video tutorial today, I'm going to show you a new stitch that I just learned, which is called the modified half double crochet. I can't believe that I haven't come across this stitch before. I just happened to be looking for new patterns on something to make, something different. I've been making a lot of face scrubbies, dishcloths and stuff like that lately. They've been quite popular with my sales on my store. So I just thought I'd start something a little bit different just to kind of give me a little bit of a break. And believe it or not, I've never made a scarf before, so this will be my first time making a scarf. I'm really excited about it, but the pattern that it uses is so pretty. I really like it. So I mean, it would show up really great. Like, this would be great for blankets. You could probably incorporate this into beanies and just crochet hats. So many different things that you can make with this pattern. So I'm just going to show you here what it looks like. So as you can see, it slightly resembles the star stitch, except for this one's a little bit simpler to do. So I mean, it would be great for beginners for sure. And I'll show you the yarn that I'm using. So this is a Caron Cake. So again, this is also something that I've never used before. This will be my first time using Caron Cakes, which I really love. I've always seen them and just, you know, haven't gotten around to purchasing any. I do have a couple smaller ones that I picked up as well. So this one here is called Plum Cream. So you can see that there's some cream colors, and we got some purple and some blues. Very nice colors. So I think it'll look really nice as a scarf. And this is not sponsored by any means. Just want to throw that out there. But yeah, so I'm really excited to be making a scarf and using the Caron Cakes. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you how we're going to make this stitch. Okay, so let's get started on doing the modified half double crochet. So I will put a link in the description for the pattern that I'm going to be using with the scarf that I'm making, in case you're interested in making it yourself. And so what you would start with is a chain of 30, or at least that's what this project called for. So I mean, if you wanted to make something different, you would kind of have to work out how many chains you would need in order for the stitch to work out properly. But just for the purpose of this video, I did use a chain of 30 and started in the second chain from the hook for my first row. So with getting the look of this pattern, I'm just going to show you here how you would do what is the second row, I believe, in the pattern. So it is just a repeat of two different rows. So it's very simple. So I've done a chain one, and then you're always going to start with a half double crochet in the first stitch. And then to do the modified half double crochet, we are going to work into the same stitch that we just did that half double crochet, but we're going to yarn over, and we're going to go in and pull up a loop, and then we're going to go into the next chain, or the next stitch, sorry, and pull up a loop, and then we're going to go into the next stitch and pull up a loop. So we now have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through all 5 loops, and then we're going to do a chain 1. So if you see, that's kind of similar to what you would do in the star stitch, and then that creates the eye right there when you do the chain. So we're just going to work that same process all the way across. So you're always going to work in the same stitch that you just finished in. So you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull up a loop, and then you're just going to go in and pull up a loop and go into the next stitch and pull up a loop. So you're only yarn overing the once when you first go into that same stitch of the previous one that you just created, and then you'll yarn over to pull through all 5 of those loops, and then you're going to chain 1, and you're just going to repeat that process until you get to the end. So again, I'll do it one more time, and then we'll just kind of speed up this video a little bit, or I'll just come back to the next row and how you would do that. So again, you're going to yarn over, go into that same stitch that you just finished in, and pull up a loop, go into your next stitch and pull up a loop, go into your next stitch and pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. The key to remember is to always chain 1 after you're done, because that's going to be very important for the next row. Alright, so just continue that process all the way across, and I will come back and show you how to do the next row. So we're at the very end of our row here, so I just wanted to show you how you're going to finish that off. So we're just going to keep doing the same thing. We're going to do one more stitch like we've been doing with the modified half double crochet. And then you're going to see that we have 1 stitch left, so we're just going to finish off with a half double crochet. So with this pattern, you're going to start your row with a half double crochet and you're going to end your row with a half double crochet. And that's even going to be the same for the next row as well. So I am going to do a chain 1, and I'm going to turn my work. And now we are going to start with a half double crochet in that first stitch there. And now what I mentioned previously about the eye, or which is the chain 1, we're going to start working 2 half double crochets into each of those chain 1 stitches. Okay, so again, we're going to basically skip 1 stitch and then we work into the next one, which is the chain 1 from the previous round, which I kind of like to refer to as the eye. And we're putting 2 half double crochets into those stitches. So see, we skip this one and then we're going to move into this one. And again, you just do that same process until you get to the very end, and then you'll end off with a half double crochet in the very last stitch. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Just a quick little one I wanted to show you just how to do this pattern. So as you can see, it kind of has that star stitch resemblance, but just a little bit different. Super easy stitch to do. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more to come. And I hope you all stay safe and have a great day. Okay everyone, before I close out this video, I just wanted to show you guys a pattern update. I loved this stitch so much that I couldn't stop working on this scarf. So I was working on it all weekend, and then I finally finished it up last night, and I just combed out the fringe at the bottom here, and I think it looks so good. Yeah, I just love how this turned out. It's so cute.